In today's world, data comes to us from every angle. Complete access and control of your data is only part of the solution. To facilitate positive change, you require meaningful data and the ability to put that data to work for you. That's where ASG National comes in. Our ASGARD suite offers technology solutions that help you take control of your program. Let's dive in. Unity is our vendor optimization system that provides complete vendor oversight and integrated claims data for unprecedented performance analytics. With the ASG Marketplace, you'll have access to a pre-certified network of ancillary service providers, making your job that much easier. And with our proprietary Chronos timeline, you can monitor spend, compliance, and trends all in one place. Infinity is our risk and claims management system that can operate as a standalone ARMIS platform or, thanks to ASGARD's unbiased connectivity, can serve as data repository for one or multiple third-party systems. You'll have instant access to claims and performance data and configurable business logics, which convert your service-level agreements into actionable rules and workflows, resulting in reduced administrative costs and improved outcomes. Finally, Frontier is our first-to-market ADR, Alternative Dispute Management System, that provides a holistic solution to the issue of ADR program management. With mobile compatibility, medical networks, and claims management, Frontier provides complete program management and centralized communications, connecting every stakeholder with the information they need right at their fingertips. At ASG, our mission is to alleviate the burden from claims professionals at all levels. We maintain a commitment to innovation and integrity in our performance and products. We are a team of industry insiders with unique insights, experience, and know-how to deliver powerful solutions. We are never satisfied and always looking for new ways to create efficiencies, introduce automation, and increase value to our customers and the industry. So what are you waiting for? Take control of your program with ASG's technology solutions today.